Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have an engine cleaning on a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. What we're going to go ahead and get started with is blow it off, blow all the dirt and grime off the engine bay. Then we're going to go ahead and put trash bags on the air filter and the alternator and then the fuse box as well, so we don't have sitting water on those devices, so we won't short out any of those electronics when we do connect the battery back up to the vehicle. Then we'll just go ahead and spray it on some Total Auto Wash. I'm not sponsored by any of these people. I'm just using what I've used in the past. I'm going to use some CarPro Pearl. It's a water-based silicone oxide coat. I'm using the 4-to-1, that's why I have 2 bottles here. To agitate all the dirt and grime, we're going to go ahead and use a wheel brush, detail brush, and the wheel rim brush. To clean up any mess and water, we're going to go ahead and use microfiber towels. We're going to go ahead and use this one to pick up all like the dirt and grime, clean it up a little bit, and then use the applicator and then wipe it all off again. And we'll spray it off and we should be good to go. First, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery from the vehicle, that way we don't short out any electronics, and we should be good to go. After the battery has been disconnected, we're going to go ahead and blow off the engine with the blower to get all the loose dirt, and then we'll go ahead and put the trash bags in.
Applying the trash bags, please make sure the alternator is completely covered and the air filter is completely covered as well, as you don't want water to be standing in those locations. When you're applying water, please make sure it's low pressure, as you do not want to force water into those locations, especially spark plugs and potentially ruin the vehicle. Please do not use a pressure washer, as that will force that water where you do not want water to be. Finish drying the engine off, go ahead and remove the trash bags, but make sure you keep that water within the trash bag, as you do not want to dump that onto the stuff you covered.
Alright, then once you have completed the whole process, go ahead and use the Pearl on like the engine bay cover, but my engine does not have an engine bay cover on it just because the engine gets so hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put it for a test drive. I will go ahead and connect the battery, make sure everything's running smoothly, and then go ahead and head down the road. Thanks everyone for watching the video, and keep cleaning.